Hello friends, in this episode, Diwali gift to all of you on the gold and the stock market. Will gold bounce back or stock market correct downward or it will create new historical highest level at the global level? Don't miss even a single word in this special gift to our subscriber friends and channel subscribers. Hello friends, I Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstromoneyGuru.com and first global astrofinance digital channel Ajay Astro Money Guru convey our sincere greetings to you on the very auspicious occasion on Diwali. As we all know, we all Indians used to celebrate Diwali with biggest zeal and josh. Since Prabhu Ram returned back after 14th year at the Ayodhya. This particular celebration is being celebrated on no moon night. But the lights and Josh and Jean that no moon night get converted in full moon night by lighting the lights and all. In this episode, we shall be talking about on the gold and the stock market. Friends, before I should go ahead further, let us recall what we have said in previous Diwali. As you know, the financial astrology and astrofinance technical analysis always try to give you the best of the analysis on the auspicious occasion of Diwali and the New Year. Friends, let me recall what we have said in Diwali 2018-19. If you remember that we had clearly given an indication about the deep downfall of the crude oil. The crude oil was shown historical or rather greatest downward movement in electronic exchanges, and it was created minus $30. I repeat, minus $30 in electronic exchange during year 2020. And the gold has created new historical highest level $2,089. Our target was 2,100. And the crash in the global capital market in month of March year 2020 was also proved word to word correct prediction made in previous Diwali. So friends, I hope all of you must have been enjoyed our Diwali gift in previous Diwalis. Today, what is supposed to be happen based on financial astrology in stocks and commodities? Friends, in this episode, we shall be discussing this. Let us see what all the planetical condition of the Diwali 14th of November year 2020. Important to note, Jupiter in Sagittarius and the Saturn in Capricorn are showing its strength, while Sun in Libra its deviation sign, and the Venus it is again a deviation sign are showing weakness. It is also important to note the sun being the king of all planets rules very important role in economy as well as the stock market. While the Venus is the most beautiful stocks and planet of prosperity, show off, it's also it's an deviation sign. So therefore, we need to understand the combination of it. And Rahu and Ketu both are in also exalted sign. So these are the planetical conditions. Friends, as per astrofinance or astrotechnical calculations are concerned, the third or fourth week of the November 2020 is going to be a very, very important. We are expecting that very time gold to bounce back very heavily, may show great upward movement, and capital market, secondary capital market especially, are likely to see downward movement or a profit booking in third or fourth week of November 2020. The investor need to be very, very careful during that particular time. Friends, in this calendar year 2020, one more historical event, astronomical event is going to take place. The Jupiter and Saturn both will be the closest distance on 21st of December year 2020. This is a historical astronomical event. If we see when this has been taken place in past history, it was on 16th of July year 1623. The same distance was recorded. So this is a very important astro-technical event when Jupiter and Saturn are making conjunction, which is popularly known as holistic conjunction. It is taking place in zodiac sign called Capricorn, and the star is Uttarashara. This is a very important, and that star is directly connected to the sun. So this particular event may boost up the economy at the highest level. Economy and the secondary stock market or stock market may show positive movement during this time. Thereafter, you can look at the metal, banking, infrastructure, paints, cements, capital goods. All these sectors may show positive movement after 21st of December year 2020. And this upward movement likely to see a positive till March 2021. Again, in month of March or April 2021, the stock market may see profit booking. So friends, astrofinance always helps you to understand market based on technical and astrological calculations. Please do share your comments and suggestions for this historical video episode. All the very best. Good luck. Happy trading.